3 and we're going to Monserrate. Buenos dias.
Buenos dias, mi gente. Que lo que boba. It's about to be freezing.
We're gonna go higher altitude. Let's go. The Uber's outside.
Should buy some Oreos.
You want some?
Yes, I got some. Now I'm going to Monserrate. Very so nice. It was 1798 when the funicular was invented for the Monserrate on the top of the tip of Bogota. Did you know approximately 1 million people ride this yearly? It's absurd. Darn. That's all.
We're gonna go up in the funicular.
In the funicular.
We know you're afraid of heights.
Who said?
Remember when he turned white in Costa Rica?
That was an AI, that wasn't me.
Think you in shape until you come up here.
Yeah. We thought the funicular would have got you close enough. But you still gotta climb up. Oh, and there's stairs.
We're almost there.
You made it to the top.
Hey, how's your coffee?
Delicious.
Oh man.
She got She bought everything. Janae bought stuff.
I got.
The pricing wasn't bad though. Everything was like $3, $4. But you will be haggled, so just make sure you come with your wits and say no if you want to say no. This is why it's good to come early.
to eat some desayuno. You have fun in the Monserrate?
Yeah, it was cool.
Kevin, you have fun in the Monserrate? It was worth the view. Would you have hiked it?
No.
See how this food tastes. The letter to write the names, to just do like a little airplane or some shit. Ay, amo vaso. Ay, amo taza.
What's pericos?
Fritos, tomatoes and onions.
Oh, I should have did that. Ooh, that looks good too, bro. Oh, look at your tamal, bro.
Tamal? Look like.
It's doing what it's supposed to do.
Buen appetito, everybody.
Appetit.
You ready?
Yes. I look like a hot mess.
Whose idea this was? You really do.
Slowly.
This is a cordless tattoo machine.
We live in 2085.
That rain came out of nowhere.
Hello friends. It's my turn. Bismillah.
No?
Well, my layers. My neck is cold.
You want to take that off?
No.
No grite. ¡Ay!
¿Tienes tatuajes?
Sí, ella tiene
What? Do I have what?
tattoos.
Oh, yeah. I thought he thought I was nervous.
Pero no en el brazo.
There. Oh my god. Oh wow. It feels like a pen.
Like somebody's drawing on you?
Yeah. I feel like he's gentle-handed though.
He is. Your face changed.
It was on my thigh. I felt the stretch mark. You're gonna get all over tattoos?